Oh, I lost all my powers? Ugh. I lost all my powers. That's not cool, man. That is not cool. Duh. This has really decent graphics for like an old... How old is this game? Like 20 years old? Get me out of here, man. I don't want to be here anymore. Take me to a beautiful island. Look at all these... Ah, itchy. Missiles! I see missiles in there. What happens if I shoot the missiles? Come on! Turn into a ball! How do I get my powers back, man? I guess that's what I gotta do. I gotta go find my powers. It's kind of like the old school Metroid, like you find these power-ups. I remember on the NES. I'm like a Metroid Prime virgin. Not anymore! Whoa! Fire aliens! That was easy. I don't care about scanning everything. Why is it so smoky here? That's me causing a ruckus for nothing, eh? Can I grab this stuff? What is it? What? I went in a circle? I like those mushrooms. Oh, come on. Ball. Nope. I need my mystic ball. Oh, I see a spiky guy up there. What is that? What is this? Ah, come on, do it. Scan. It's not gonna tell me what it is? Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. You just look scary to me, alright? How do I jump? Oh, I remember those from the original Metroid. The spiky back guys. Anything? Oh. So they walk around until they feel threatened and they spike you. I could jump onto this, yeah? What is... Huh? Uh-oh. Gangster beetles. Ah! Wait, I have to scan you. I gotta know what you are. You got away? I like the music. Okay, stop. No, I just want to scan you, buddy. Alright, now you can die. What are these guys so aggressive? What are they guarding here? Oh, a new area. Oh my gosh, this game is incredible, man. The sense of discovery and adventure and... Okay, I need to scan this before I destroy it. It's a sac chemical reaction within a sac produces a violent explosion when agitated. Let's agitate it. Be agitated. Can I get that? My energy! Oh, I'm already full anyway, right? Oh, take a deep breath. Got an elevator, we're in. Scan. Access to Chozo Ruins West granted. Please step into the hologram. Alright. Did I do everything I needed to do? I need the ball. So I can go grab those missiles and stuff. You know, I don't even think I need the HD version. This is pretty awesome in itself. It just feels so haunting. I could just walk off and no one's gonna attack me.
Data received.
Data what? Oh, I don't have my supercharge either? Come on, guys. I need my supercharge. What? Ruin site. What's one? What was that? Seismic activity detected. Seismic. Seismic. Okay. So that's where I am right now? Oh gosh, this is so complicated. So it's to the right about 3 screens. I don't know. What? Seismic activity. We got seismic activity. Oh wow. Yeah, I think I have to get the full game. This is too beautiful. Like, this is on old school hardware. We're in the Chozo ruins. Come on, Samus. Samus says, let's explore. I wonder if this is better, like with the Nintendo Switch control scheme. Instead of like, you gotta flick this thing over to... It's like forced gyroscope. I guess you kind of get used to it after a while. Where are we? What is that? Is this the seismic activity? I don't have my super cannon. Ah, itchy eyeballs. Looks like a battery or something up there. That's where I came from. And it looks like this is where I'm going. Open sesame. Oh my gosh. I don't have a super ball. My monkey ball. Oh, I'm sorry. What does that do? Why is everything a threat? Where's the friendlies? I'm not afraid. What are those? Look like honeybee cones or something. You guys. Charge beetles, be gone. Wow, why are you so strong, man? What's this? Force field.
Recording to logbook.
New causal lore entry has been downloaded. Entry has been downloaded. Oh yeah, there's some more stuff to scan over here. This object resides at the end of a high channel set into a wall. Yeah.
Recording to logbook.
Makuma Matata? Akuma Matata. Oh no, my trap. Let's see. I know how to explore. What? What was that? What the heck are those? I called it. Those are bees, man. Alien bees. Alright. Akuma Matata. Wait, is there anything else here before I go? What about that thing? What about it? Akuma Matata. Or whatever you say there. Oh, aliens. I love the aliens. Am I getting injured? Let's clear the path. You get in the way, you get out of the way. Oh, so that's a lock on? Oh, the wasp made like a growling noise. I wonder if I touch that stuff, I'm gonna get poisoned. Let's go this way then. Jump across. Which one's jump again?